Good morning, everybody. Today's such a beautiful day. I'm sorry that I have not been vlogging at all. It's been very busy, but today, me, Andy, and Alex, who are my co-workers in the kitchen, we're gonna go kayaking. And look how beautiful it is. It's so nice out. So we're gonna go write our float plan down, and then we're gonna get to it. So I'm excited. Welcome to Alaska, guys. What?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm about to eat my sandwich. Or my chips.
You out?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Really?
Yep. Oh, I wasted a grapefruit one. I thought I was gonna get in the kayak. Oh, that was so close.
Go ahead.
What?
Are you throwing them?
No.
Oh.
I don't want to waste them. Is that an eagle?
I don't know. It's awfully big.
Oh my gosh, come towards us.
Paddles really fast.
Potential eagle spotting, everybody. Come back. You want some mine?
No, I want some Alex's veggie stick.
Oh!
Oh, you want some? No.
I can't. I'm gonna tip over if I try and throw this. No, I can't. I can't. I can't. Oh, shoot!
I got it.
You did? Holy!
My mouth.
No, I didn't. How did you catch that?
Left hand.
I didn't think it would even get thrown correctly. We're about to see a float plane land. Yay!
Yay, float plane.
That was fun, guys. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Got out dinner.
Look at this. So thankful.
Hey. I'm 11 years old again, so we're going to do the Ranger jump out the airplane thing. Are we ready on down the line, Ulysses? We're ready, okay. I'm not understanding. Wait.
So some of us just did the polar plunge, first one of the year. I said all day, all week, I wasn't gonna do it. And then just decided to. It was freezing. It's a beautiful day here. It's been sunny the past 2 days, which has been so good. So, yay. Thanks for watching, guys. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. Over and out.